Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in the last two previous videos we have learned how we can insert and display record from SQLite database using Room API. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete the record that already inserted by the Room API. So we will do for delete operation now. So for that I am just creating a event handling btn delete set on click listener and here I will call the operation to delete. So what we have to do, we have to pass a user ID here to delete the information. So for that I'm getting the user ID. So user ID I have to get. So for that I am creating a alert dialog box and alert dialog dot builder, and here I'm passing the main main activity, and here I'm just creating the builder here, and in this builder I'm creating a title and I'm saying enter user ID to delete. Okay, and I want to create one text edit also. For that I'm creating a we say user ID text box of edit text equal to edit text, and here we have to pass the context like this, and this edit text I will add here set view user ID like this. Now I will create the button set positive button, and here I will give the delete user, and here I will create the object and dialog interface dot on click listener, and here I will implement the method for this, that is on click, and here I will read the information that you will enter like val, and that would be user ID that you will add. We can say UID equal to user ID dot text dot to int, we can say to int. Okay, we will convert this into integer and I say this int. So to string okay, that is not, we don't want this. I want to convert this into integer. So first of all I have to convert into toString, then to int. Okay, so UID is there. So whenever you have this UID, then we are going to call in global scope launch that we are going to call user database dot get instance main activity, then dot dot delete, and user ID is UID that we are passing here, and I think record will delete from there, and then we will display the toast that record is deleted. So after that we are going to display record deleted like this. So we are calling dialog box, we are calling this, so has been done I think. And here if positive button is killed, then we have to create a dialog box and we have to call this dialog box to show. So like this. Now we try to call this. So you see when I click on display, so it show me that 1 2 3 ID. If I want to delete the Rahul, so I click on delete button, it will ask me to enter the ID. I say 3 and delete user, and if I display again, so record has been deleted, but I am not getting the information record deleted. So for that I will call this one outside of this function, set on click, so show this. So I call this one here. Try once again. So I call on display, so 2 records are given, then I pass the ID number 2 and I say delete, and the record deleted, but still I am not getting information record has been deleted, but this should be display record deleted. For that I do one thing more, that launch. Here I just call this and I say it will run in dispatcher dot main, and this should be run under the dispatcher IO. Like this. Then I call once again. So display one record is available only now, and I say delete, and I pass 1 and delete. So it is not showing me the record deleted, but I think record has been deleted because it is empty now. So one more record I have to add, Kumar, and we have to give some number. I say insert, then nothing is coming here, display, then I say this is coming, one record ID number 4. If I pass here ID number 4 and I say delete user, so that information is not coming. Why? Because this toast is not working. So in place of toast, I just pass my method, this which I have created here, display info. So I remove this one, and after this here I call display info, and here I pass user info, and I say user record deleted. Now I try display. Here nothing will come because no record is found. Now I insert record and I pass here some value. I insert the value, I display this, it would be 5 I think, yes, auto generated. then I click on delete and I write here 5. I click on this, you see record deleted, because it's a problem of toast, so it is coming automatically, the code has been deleted. So as you see, the information have been deleted. That's all for watching my video. Thank you.